मिले रुको रुको
मैं कृति जी 2 मिनट रुक जाना बस
सब है
हमारा भी 1 सेकंड
सो कृति बट मैं वहाँ
So I wanted to ask you that you have completed 10 years in the industry.
Start with you look gorgeous, pretty. Can you tell us who are you wearing? Can you tell us a little more about your outfit and what made you decide this?
You can see it fits me like a glove.
Kriti, you have completed 10 years in the industry. Now this has been a great year, 2 back-to-back hits. Now your most challenging role as an actor is coming up with Dopati. What can we expect? And how has your journey been in this decade?
It's been very good, as you said. That's what this year has started really well, and very good. And the third one is extremely different from what I've ever done. I'm also co-producing for the first time, so that's also exciting. It's me and Kajol ma'am coming together with, of course, Shakti and Tanvi ma'am, other amazing actors, and you will know more about it very, very soon.
Kriti, how much has being a producer changed you as an actor also?
It's not really changed me, but I can realize that it's a tough job. Yeah, you have a lot
What's
of
been the
respect for
toughest?
producers because you realize that it's not easy to make a film, and there are a lot of things that happen on a set. There are a lot of ups and downs that go on while making a film. There are a lot of things which are not in your control sometimes. Time limit, the budget, all of that, how hard it is to actually make music, and sometimes when things get changed on edit table, that is so easy. I always felt like editing is something that really makes me.
What about skincare?
Change things for you. People started looking at is it on your part to do probably
क्या चला रहे हो
to be honest, तेरी बात में ऐसा होने दिया और too also not intense. So that's not true. I can't keep doing one kind of film. Definitely, Mimi is very, very special. But at the end of it, I feel it's the story that touches people's hearts, right? So you also, as an actor, have to keep reinventing yourself and keep doing different stuff. That's what at least I try and aim. So whether you see Teri Baaton Mein or you see two very different as films, Dopati is going to be again very, very different. But not every film gives you a character that makes you, dig that deep in. Sometimes it's also the story that's the main star of it.
Kriti, you also have
We like crew, change things for the women in cinema.
I'm hoping. I hope it
Any
does.
change around?
I mean, it's too soon to say anything, but I hope that people make more such films firstly and
Chalo, done.
take the risk of putting
All done, guys.
on female dependencies.
Kriti. How do you balance you being an actor, entrepreneur, and also a co-producer now? Who comes first for you?
Who comes first? It's not first, second, at all, to be honest. It's what is required at that point, to be honest.
How do you balance things out?
When you do something that you're passionate about, I don't think you feel the need to balance. It happens on its own, When I'm on a film set as an actor, I'm there as an actor. My producer bulb doesn't switch on immediately there. There are other people thankfully taking care of that. And when I come back home and I have messages from Hyphen Group, and I sit back on that. I have some samples from them and trying that. So I think when you're passionate, you're excited, and then you figure it out.
One quality of Dopati's character
Yeah,
that you wish you had.
पहले आप द्रौपदी का कैरेक्टर तो देखो, कौन सी इसमें था अभी. Thank you.
कृति this side